Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website buthoodies.com.au. I'm on the homepage and I really love that you're showing the free shipping information at the top bar. So this is displayed on every page, so this is perfect. You inform what you are selling. Obviously, this is the brand name, but hoodies, but also hottest hoodies, shop hoodies, with a call to action. I'm not sure if this, oh yeah, it is linked. It is linked to the best-selling hoodies. Okay, perfect. But I'm going to review the homepage first. So, okay, so the top navigation, the picture of the product. Best-selling products would be great to optimize this title a little bit further. So instead of best-selling products, you can tell best-selling hoodies, best-selling tops. So it's much, much more SEO friendly, much more descriptive for Google. Okay, 10% off. I'm going to close this pop-up. Okay, shop all. Again, optimize the title as well to be more SEO friendly, and the product title. There's plenty of the distractions. Feels like there's everything screaming for the attention. Those variants, product options, the estimated shipping to United Kingdom. It pushes the most important element on the product page, which is add to cart. It pushes it out of the view. So I recommend, obviously these need to be above the add to cart, but I recommend optimizing them a little bit better so they don't get all the attention. However, they still function. So obviously it would be much better if they were as drop down menus, color, size, or shape, if it's really that important on the product page. However, make sure that the add to cart is displayed above the fold. So basically above the fold is this area without scrolling down, because it feels like there's just they're just forgotten, which can definitely affect sales, which can definitely affect conversion rate. So I do recommend optimizing the product page layout. I'll be happy to help you do that, because it requires a bit of tweaking, it's a bit of coding, it's a very small task, so it's a very easy to implement. So if you'd like to fix it, definitely do let me know. However, you've got footer navigation. When it comes to the email, I recommend using the professional email address, such as salesyoururl.com, or your domain URL. And okay, for some reason those links, I'm not sure if it's my laptop or the links aren't kind of activate on the hover, which is a feature to be expected. As you can see, it's not it they are activated, but see, if I hover over those links, the mouse pointer is shows that it's active link, because it turns from the pointer to the hand. However, it's not the okay, it is the case. It is the case in the footer. It just needed a little push. But I had the same thing in your top menu. I'm going to close this again. So I'm not sure if they come with a delay, because it doesn't happen to me on every website. It's like the first website it happened. So there could be some kind of delayed response with the link. So I would investigate it, because many people will assume that these links are inactive. So it obviously will affect your conversion rate. People won't be clicking. Obviously, will affect your sales, because people won't be your sales and SEO, because people won't be staying on your website for longer. So I do recommend investigating it a little bit further. But you've got you've got social media links, which is perfect. Remember to open them in your tabs as well, so you don't lose valuable traffic from your own website. Okay, the collection page looks great. Again, I would optimize the titles to be a little bit more SEO friendly, but the product titles are specific, which is perfect. I'm going to have a look at the product page now. Okay, the product page is okay. Again, I would remove this to the bottom of the page so the add to cart is displayed above the fold, as I mentioned before. However, those options are much better. And also work on the product descriptions. Having unique product descriptions will be much better for your sales and much better for SEO. And in the other video, I explain why having these AliExpress product descriptions is quite bad for your sales, can actually kill your sales and SEO. So make sure to check it out now. I link it from this video, so do check it out. However, you've got related products, plenty of related products. Yeah, because you've got free shipping here and also free shipping at the top promo bar, which I'm not sure why it's not displayed on every page. It is, but it should be really sticky. It displays on a hover. So it's not necessary to have it here because it takes a lot of space above the fold, unnecessary space above the fold. And above the fold is the most important for the conversion, so make sure to remove it. So the add to cart, obviously the most important, is displayed above the fold. Also remember about adding more trust signals such as shipping policy and refund policy. Even if you offer free shipping, you need to have shipping policy with information how long is the delivery, how long is dispatch, so how long is the period between the order being placed and the item being sent out. Some shops do it within 24 hours, some shops take longer, so make sure to specify how long it is. And obviously, what kind of couriers do you use? How long is the delivery within your country? Whether you're in Australia, obviously, and how long is in to other locations, so for example to USA, to Europe, and so on. People will be very interested in how long is the wait, so remember to include it in your shipping policy. And also have unique and detailed refund policy as well. That's very important. Also notice that your URLs are very long, very too long for Google to really understand. So make sure that your URLs are shorter and contain your target keywords. However, they don't go over the the unreasonable character limit. Your URLs are really strong, really long. So Google might have difficulties understanding it straight away, which will definitely affect how well you rank and how fast you will be ranking in Google. So make sure to work on your URLs as well as your on your SEO. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.